Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change background color of text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show change background color text box. Now firstly, then we show is text box, change background color. Now firstly select from text box. Now going to format menu option, then click for a shape fill option. Now choose color, that is. Then again another text box from create. Now click for insert menu option, then click for text box. Now create a text box. Now write your text. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape fill option. Now click for a choose color, that is. Then we show change background color of text box in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.